Now let's understand some other details of the ellipse that are required to solve problems. Let me consider the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. So this is the ellipse, as you know. This is the center, this is a, this is a dash, this is b, and this is b dash. And I will consider any point P, say x comma y, on the ellipse. P be any point on the ellipse. S is the first focus, which is AE comma 0. S dash is the second focus, which is minus AE comma 0. Now, I will join SP. Join SP. Then what is this length SP known as? Focal distance. Because you are joining a point, any point on the ellipse with the focus. So the distance between that point and to the focus is called as focal distance. You should also have one more focal distance because there is second focus also. So the second focal distance is S dash P. SP is first focal distance. S dash P is also the focal distance. Now I will add the two focal distances, SP plus S dash P. That is, the sum of the focal distances is always found to be major axis of the ellipse. You just have to remember. What is the sum of the focal distances of an ellipse? It is equal to the length of the major axis. 2a is the length of the major axis. So the focal distances of an ellipse, there are two foci, therefore there are two focal distances, and it is equal to the sum of the major axis. SP plus S dash P is equal to 2a. And for the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1, where a is less than b. Then what is the sum of the focal distance? SP plus S dash P will be equal to 2b. One second, and let me tell you one more thing. This is about the focal distance. Now I will consider the ellipse with major axis as 2a and minor axis as 2b. That is, the ellipse is in the standard form. This is the major axis, this is the minor axis, C, this is A dash, B dash. Now I will describe a circle taking AA dash as the diameter. A dash is the diameter. So draw a circle with AA dash as the diameter. Now this circle with major axis, that is AA dash as diameter, is called, which is described on the major axis, is called major axillary circle. See, what is the radius of this major axillary circle? What is this length? This is A, that is semi-major axis, and C is the center. What is the equation of the circle whose center is at the origin, radius equal to A? X square plus y square equals A square. So its equation is x square plus y square equals A square. What is the equation of the major axillary circle of an ellipse? X square plus y square equals A square. These are the types of questions asked in the CET exam. The ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. The equation of the major auxiliary circle to this ellipse is x square plus y square equals 25. Understood? Now similarly, if you describe a circle by taking CB as the radius or BB dash as the diameter, then you get a circle like this inside the ellipse. Now the circle with BB dash as diameter is called, what is this circle called as? Minor auxiliary circle. Minor auxiliary circle, and its equation is x square plus y square is equal to b square. X square plus y square is equal to b square. So that is about the equation of the auxiliary circles. So for an ellipse will have major auxiliary circle and minor auxiliary circle. Major auxiliary circle, both these circles, whether it is major auxiliary or minor auxiliary, both these circles will have center at origin only. Their equations are respectively x square plus y square equals a square, major auxiliary circle, and x square plus y square is equal to b square is the minor auxiliary circle.